Now we're going to go ahead and loosen the fan clutch nut by turning it counterclockwise. Go ahead and pop out that hose like so. And go ahead and pop that clip right here, just to free that up. Let's go ahead and lift up on the shroud here. Okay. With the shroud loose, what we're going to do now is reach down, and we have our clutch fan loose. I'm going to go ahead and spin that counterclockwise. So I'm actually loosening the fan clutch by just grabbing the fan. You can see the nut loosening. You can also reach down and try and move it, whatever works for you. Using our 13mm deep socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the 4 bolts holding the fan clutch to the fan itself. Now on our fan blade itself, it actually tells you that this is the front side, so this is going to be facing the radiator. So we're going to flip this over. And if you look at this side here, this is going to be the back side where this bolts onto the water pump, and this will be the front side. I'm going to go ahead and separate this unit here. We're going to apply some blue Loctite on these bolts here. And then we'll go ahead and snug those down. We're going to go ahead and get our fan loaded up inside here, like so. And we drop them down in together. So on the bottom side of the radiator shroud, there are plastic pins. There's 2 of them, and they go into the eyelets just below the radiator. We'll go ahead and get those set in. Now work our AC line around the shroud here, so we can get our clip mounted up again. And we have our tabs here for the shroud that go into the radiator itself. So we're going to lift this up again a little bit. And once the shroud is lined up, we're going to go ahead and reattach our AC line retainer clip. And we'll go ahead and get our fan started here. And use a pair of pliers here and snug up that nut.